Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another banger. Today I'll be teaching you how to make my special fried rice. This is the kind of recipe you need to wow your family and friends. It has chicken inside, it has veggies, and it has plantain. Sit back and relax. Let me show you how to make it. For the purpose of this video, I am using basmati rice. You can use any rice that is readily available. Even your short grain rice will do the magic, so no fear. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This helps remove excess starch, so irrespective of the kind of rice you are using, short, long grained, or even basmati rice, please make sure you wash it very well. Once the water runs clear, transfer to a strainer or a colander and let it sit until it is completely dry. Don't skip this step, and as the video continues, I will explain to you why you should not skip it. Right now, I'm mixing my spice that I'll be using for this meal. I'm using some Italian spices, curry powder, rosemary, thyme, salt and seasoning cubes. Give it a good mix. So anywhere you see me using seasoning, just know that this is the combination of seasoning I am using. In a pot, heat up some oil, add some roughly chopped onions, emphasis on roughly chopped. You get more flavors from your onions when it's like this than when you slice it. Be generous with the onions too, and you want to just saute this until it is fragrant. Add the rice and stir fry this for about 2 minutes on high heat. Like I said earlier, ensure there is no moisture in your rice. Even if there is, it should not be too much. It can make your rice clump together and it will not come out grainy. So fry this before you add in your seasoning. Stir the rice while frying to prevent burning and to achieve an even texture. Add in some pepper. Don't go too much on your pepper. You are not cooking pepper soup. And who said you cannot make fried rice without meat stock? My dear, add in some water to this, cover and let it cook. For protein, I am using chicken breast. You can use any protein you like. Even eggs can work. Cut the chicken breast into thin strips like this. For easier cutting, I will advise you freeze the meat for about 20 minutes. This firms it up and makes slicing easier. You can see me struggling to cut mine in the video, so please don't be like me. Transfer the chicken breast to a bowl. I'm going to season this with the same seasoning we used earlier and some beni. The beni is just powdered chicken flavored stock. Please go easy with the spices. I added some onions for more flavor. Set it aside. Let's prep the veggies. For me, this is the most difficult part of making fried rice. This aspect of prepping the veggies. Oh my God, I hate to see it coming. Let me share one hack with you. Don't tell anybody. When it's time to prep veggies, just give it to your younger ones, your siblings, so that they can do it. Slice the bell pepper in halves, remove the stem and the seeds. Cut each half into thin strips like this, then dice into small pieces. Don't cut it too big. I mean small pieces like this. You can add carrots or any veggies that you like to your fried rice. Feel free to customize it to your taste. But bear in mind that too much veggies in your fried rice will make it go bad easily. So aim for a balanced ratio of vegetables to rice. A good rule is for every 3 cups of cooked rice, you can use 1 cup or 1.5 cups of veggies. That way the veggies won't overwhelm the rice. Done. Our rice is ready and you can see it coming at 1-1. Use a spoon to fluff the rice, starting from the edges to the center. Do this gently so you don't break the grains. And once you're done, open the rice, let it cool down. Don't cover it. Heat up some vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add in the already seasoned chicken breast. You are going to stir fry this until it has a nice char and a golden brown effect. You see this process, it will take a really long time, about 4 to 5 minutes. But guess what? It is worth it. So don't skip this process. Add the veggies we prepped earlier to the pan. Stir fry this on high heat for a while until they are tender and crisp. Don't forget, you're going to also season your veggies. A little more seasoning won't hurt, just for extra flavor. Now going with some onions. Don't skip these. For me, if you don't have onions, don't cook fried rice. If you want to slice your onions when making fried rice, please don't cook fried rice. At this point, all you have to do is to mix the veggies and the rice together. Can you see that beautiful spread of veggies on the rice? This was so yummy. Here comes my own twist. You are going to be adding some ripe plantain to this. I air fried mine, but you can fry yours. 1 spoon of this and you are already in food heaven, because 1 spoon is going to contain some well-seasoned chicken breast, well-seasoned rice, and ripe plantain. Mix everything up together and the meal is ready. What do you think about this recipe? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.